In today's video, we will change the wiper blades for Toyota Corolla. Starting with the driver's side, just hold and pull down the wiper blades so that it could be taken out. Once pulled out, now we will try to make sure the size is right with the new wiper blades that we have. This seems to be the right one to install, and this is how it looks like. It has two grips on both sides, so we will take out the cover by pushing those two grips. Because this is where the wiper blade will be installed. Align the wiper blade to the hook right there and then lift the wiper blade upwards. Lift the wiper blade to a point where you hear a clicking sound. Wiper blade seems firm. Now we can close the cover. We are done with the driver's side. Now we will do the same on the passenger side. Here, someone has installed a screwdriver for some reason. We'll be taking the screwdriver out first using a Phillips screwdriver. Screw is out. I was able to pull down the wiper blade itself, but the bracket for wiper blade is still attached. It has a tab that needs to be pulled. Just pull the tab and then slide the bracket downwards to take it out. Once the bracket is removed, now we are good to install the new wiper blade. This seems to be a little different from the other side, but it does have grips on both sides that needs to be pushed. Press and hold both the grips and then open the cover. We need to open this cover to put the wiper arm inside. Now we will insert the wiper blade on the wiper arm and lift up the wiper blade up until to the point where you hear a clicking sound. The grip of wiper blade seems strong, and now we can just close the cover. With that, we are done replacing both sides wiper blades. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.